Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make soup using flour, full guide. Start by choosing your method, roux for a rich base or slurry for last-minute thickening. Heat fat, stir in flour until fragrant, then add liquid gradually while whisking to avoid lumps. Taste and adjust seasoning, simmer gently to cook raw flour taste away, and finish with cream or herbs for depth. Save leftovers properly and reheat slowly to preserve texture and flavor. Start by deciding between a roux and a slurry based on time and flavor. For a roux, melt butter or oil, whisk in flour, and cook until it reaches the desired color before adding liquid slowly. For a slurry, combine flour with cold water until smooth and stir into simmering soup to thicken quickly. Always whisk vigorously to prevent lumps, then simmer briefly to cook out raw flour taste and finish with seasoning. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is excellent for catching crumbs and pet hair while you simmer soup, and voice control makes it effortless to schedule cleanups. It keeps your floors spotless so you can focus on flavor and family. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For the smoothest soup, toast your flour slightly and whisk constantly as you add liquid. Use warm liquid for roux integration and cold liquid for a slurry to minimize lumps. If lumps form, strain the soup or blend briefly with an immersion blender for a silky finish. Adjust thickness by adding more liquid or a small extra slurry, and always taste for seasoning before serving to balance flavors and salt levels.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.